Mechanical watches are tiny universes with just the power of spring gears turned inside a 4 cm case, creating a beautiful flow of time. Opening mechanism wristwatch will make you observe the universe with the naked eye. Speaking up seriously, this mechanical wristwatch has a square laconic shape and crystal wall on both sides. Allow you to supervise the mechanism on a watch. The CIGA Design is an exceptional watch whose owner will not go unnoticed. Need to be noticed, the magnificent design of this accessory was marked by prestigious award, the XIAOMI Design Award 2017. In general, it will come in 2 colors, silver and black. I like the silver one. The wristwatch packaged very neatly. When you open it, you will see a special note, description, plus there are 2 straps, leather and braided stainless steel, together with a tool. This watch works as manual wand watch and as an automatic watch. The air in the back, built-in half moon, deliver the energy when the arm is moving. The watch crystal is made of sapphire 1.2 mm thick and has hardness of 9 degrees Mohs. Also, the durable glass resistant to scratches and falls. Additionally, the watch has reliable protection against moisture, 3 atmosphere equals splash and dust resistant. It's okay for rain or washing hands or contacting with water. The body is produced by alloy stainless steel and charged with iron to reflect the beauty and brightness. The bezel has rounded and polished edges, and the hands of the mechanism composed in red color, which perform the detail stand out among other elements. And view the time.